All right, hey guys, this is Mike again with Auto Collision. Today we're going to talk about 3 tips. Those 3 tips are what's going to happen when you come to pick up your vehicle from a body shop after it was repaired and what to look out for. So stay tuned. All right, so tip number 1, you need to make sure that when you're getting your car back from the body shop, the first thing you look for is for gaps, the gaps between panels. Check for gaps between the fender, the door, gaps between your front hood and the front bumper. Look for evenness or unevenness between the panels. If there's one panel that has a bigger gap than the other side, guess what? Something was done wrong. So you need to make sure you tell them about that before you take your car back. Tip number 2, what to look for in your paint. You need to check for a few things. 1, look for runs. 2, look to see if there's any fading or any discoloration in your paint. 3, make sure the colors match. Sometimes shops will actually paint a car in one panel. But when you stand back and take a look at the whole car, guess what? You come to realize that one panel has a different tint or shade than the adjacent panels. So you need to make sure that the paint is done correctly. There's a thing called blending, but we can talk about that on our next video. So stay tuned.